was just in automobile, another in ignition system. We have already read battery type of ignition, another is magneto type ignition of coil. Now this ignition system is very required for SI engine, spark ignition engine. The spark ignition engine is the petrol engine, so where the carburetor is there, but after BH4 this carburetor is not used. The air and fuel directly given to the cylinder. Now where this spark ignition engine is there, there is some thing we need to start the prime mover, means engine, IC engine. In IC engine, spark ignition, what type of ignition system we use? One is magneto type, another is your battery ignition system. For battery ignition, we have already read in our earlier chapter that there was a simple battery. Now, these are now we have seen the battery, means there was initially, if you that is there, battery ignition is there or not. Battery ignition, we have already seen that one battery is there, that is sulfuric acid battery. The start off switch is there and one ignition coil is there. So what we did with, you have read it already. Now I am just reminding you that in battery ignition system you have 12 volt battery and you need that to ignite the spark in the spark plug 22,000 volt. So you have to use some technique, some electrical circuit, so that this 12 volt DC battery which is available in the battery can be magnified to 22,000 volt to start the ignition in the ignition coil, in the spark plug. We have already read it. What was there? There was a battery and there was off and through there was a ignition coil. In the ignition coil there was one primary coil, another was secondary coil. So primary coil has a number of turn is less and more thickness, and thickness of that wire is thick wire, and whereas the secondary coil is the number of turn is more but it has a thin wire. So these things were in the magnetic coil, in the ignition coil. So that you have seen. Now we are taking care of this magneto ignition system. What is, everything is there, same. That there you have seen that one ignition coil was there, one battery was there. But here it is not like that. Here we use one rotating magnet, spinning magnet. This magnet is spinning in a electric wire. There is electric wire. So it's due to the spinning of the magnet, voltage induced in the current flows in the coil. This is primary coil, secondary coil. That was also in your ignition coil. One was primary coil, one was secondary coil. But here is different. Here is one magnet. We replace the battery with this magnet. Battery and this, instead of coil we are using this. So this is a feed armature condenser. This is armature condenser, but two circuit is there. One is secondary winding, another is primary winding. This is primary winding, this is secondary winding. What happened? If you see, this I can tell you that this battery and ignition coil is not there, but cutout was also there. Here is also cutout. Here is distributed, here is sparking plug, see everything. Only we replace the battery and ignition coil with this magneto ignition system. What we did it, one spinning magnet, this is south pole, north pole of a magnet, it is rotating, spinning. And here is one coil is given, one is primary coil and secondary coil. So what actually happened? Due to this magnetic induction takes place. Due to the magnetic induction, high voltage generated, and that high voltage comes to the distributor, from distributor to distributor, different spark. Same thing, but there was a cutout, there is also cutout. If you remember and see my earlier lecture, that there was a cutout. What cutout? This is cutout was with the help of cam and follower. When cam is rotating, if it is a 4 cylinder, there will be 4 edges. If it is a 3 cylinder, there will be triangular. So this is the cam, which is integrated part of engine. From engine drive, it is taken with the gear and this cam is rotated. Now what you have did? You have a spinning magnet and a coil. Due to spinning magnet and coil is stationary, so this coil gets electricity. And first primary coil gets the electricity. When primary coil gets the electricity, so this coil is coming like this, and there is a cutout. Means this there is a point like this. When primary coil is connecting, once connecting and disconnect out with the help of this cam. Cam is sometimes disconnected, and when it is coming, it is connected. So when this is disconnecting, induced voltage in the secondary coil is 22,000, whatever we need. But for particular car, we need 22,000 voltage. That is induced with the help of the secondary coil and cutout, and that is given to the distributor as per the need of the firing order. All distributor, this distributor point is rotating, and this is giving to the spark plug, and a spark plug gets 22,000 volt. Due to getting 22,000 volt, this spark plug ignite the part, and due to that goes to the cylinder, and flame get propagation, and flame propagated, and firing order takes place. Now you see the previous lecture where I have shown you the battery ignited system. Now we are showing you the magneto ignition system. Same thing. There, this figure is something different, but that figure was some. The distributor was also there, the spark plug was also there, cutout was also there. Now you will see there is a in cutout there is a condenser. Why this condenser is there? Because due to that some back EMF can come that can damage the connecting point which is connecting and disconnecting the primary circuit, so that point does not get damaged, so we give a back EMF to protect the back EMF from this. So what actually, now gist we will just understand what is magneto system, magneto ignition system, or what is battery ignition system. Battery ignition system, the battery and ignition coil was there, that is replaced by this magneto system with spinning magnet and coil, and cutout was also there. In a battery ignition, here is also cutout. Same thing, condenser is there so that it does not come the contact point of the primary circuit. So when it is disengaging, primary secondary coil induced, giving 22,000 volt. There was when disconnecting secondary this injection coil was there in battery system, that was also giving 22,000 volt. From battery 12,000, it was giving 22,000. Here is nothing. Where due to the magnetic effect, we are giving high voltage with this magnetic system. Spinning magnet coil is there. With the help of this cutout, secondary coil gives you 22,000 volt. This is rotor ampere. Now you will say why we will use this magneto system and ignition system, why we give the battery ignition system. For high speed, what is the advantage? For high speed car, generally this magneto ignition system is used for high speed car. But the ignition is very weak in this case. In high speed car that is used, but in magneto ignition system if you are using, your spark is not so strong like battery ignition system. But battery ignition system, spark is very improved, but it is used for low speed car. So this is your whole about the battery ignition system and magneto ignition system. It is very simple thing. You can easily understand that what is this magneto, what is this, these are the, this question may come to you, that what is the battery ignition system and what is magneto ignition system. Now battery ignition system, we have battery and ignition coil. Here we have a spinning magnet, there was a coil, that coil with the induced voltage, it can give high voltage of 22,000, but in battery from 12 volt of battery, it was giving 22,000. All things are same. Now you will say, you should understand why we use this magneto system, and why we use this battery ignition system. So it's, I think it's very clear. You should understand the function of this. In battery ignition system, this cutout was also there, this distributor was also there. Now this spark. You go and see my previous lecture where I told you about the battery ignition system. Now this is magneto-ignition system. This thing you should understand. So these all things, capacitor, why capacitor is given? So that the cut point which is connecting and disconnecting is not damaged. Now I have this spark plug, it is inside the engine, where it gives you the spark of 22,000 volt. Now we will see, carbon plus this type of distributor, different type of distributor which is rotating for every spark plug, and now this is magneto-ignition system. Now these are the magneto-ignition system, battery ignition system. This is very clear to you. You should understand whenever this type of question is coming, you must write down, make both the figure. Instead of this, in battery ignition system, instead of this, you will make a battery. This is the ignition coil. From ignition coil again coming this. So this is, you see, negative is arc. Why negative is arc? Because if negative is arc with the chassis, then you don't need two wires everywhere. From any point you need only one wire, and nearby chassis you can get the connection, so that you get the two connection. So it's, I think it's very clear. So you must know what is magneto-ignition system, what is battery ignition system. Thank you. So you go this way and you read whatever the paper you have. And another thing I was thinking to tell you, some point was also there regarding your fuel. Okay, next, it is alright.